So as y'all can't see, now we done got the airbag off. Let me see, where the airbag at? Show them the airbag, man. So that's the old one, y'all. We gonna be getting rid of this one. This is the old one, y'all. So we gonna be taking that one out, putting this one in. And then first we gotta start off by disconnecting the battery. And we gotta make sure you're doing this in a good way so my clock spring don't get turned, y'all. Because if your clock spring get turned, it'll mess up your alignment as you're doing it. So we gotta be real careful as we're doing it. I'm gonna be putting the Hellcat powders in this one too, y'all. So that's gonna be low-key a long video, but I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible for y'all. You want to take your battery out, disconnect this sensor right here, and get it out with a 10mm ratchet. And on the opposite side, another one right here, if y'all can't see it. You got to get that out with an Allen key, y'all. Something that's going to be able to fit through that little hole. So as y'all can't see, now we done got the airbag off. Let me see, where the airbag at? Show them the airbag, man. So that's the old one, y'all. We going to be getting rid of this one. What's going on with YouTube? It's your boy 345 German. In today's video, man, we gonna be doing the Scatpack steering wheel upgrade for the 345, man. So we pretty much just got us a Scat steering wheel, y'all. It's the thicker one that come with the heated and cool pads on it, because mine do not have it since it's an RT steering wheel. But my car has the functionality for it, so it should be able to work. So we're gonna go ahead and swap that out, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and walk out through the process and put this in here, man. We're gonna have my boy TJ put my old one in here. So we're gonna be swapping the new one in and then helping him put his old one in to this. My old steering wheel out of here and putting it into this, y'all. So we're gonna be doing a steering wheel upgrade on mine and a steering wheel upgrade on his, y'all. So he getting my old one and I'm getting a Scatpack one, y'all. So it's gonna be an interesting video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already started. I didn't really show y'all none of this, but you gotta get to a T10 drill. So I got mine on the drill. You take out the T10 right here in the back. So you got to get these all powders off, because I'm gonna keep my Hellcat powders instead of the Scat ones. So y'all gonna be watching me put the new powders in and do this. And to get this out, you just need this one little connector right here. Pull this right out, y'all. So once you get this out right here, I'm trying to show y'all a little better. You get this out, boom, your powders will come right out the back. And I keep this, so I'm gonna screw this back, but you did have to pull this up to the front to be able to get to reveal to those two little T10s right there, y'all. So you do gotta unscrew these by getting this right here first. So you got 3 screws on it. But let me go ahead and take this out and then start with mine. Boom, just like that. Boom, second one out. And just like that. And you gotta make sure you hide the wires and push them back in place like how they is, y'all. Y'all see how they low-key tuck? You gotta make sure they tuck when you put them back in too. So this is the brand new one that I'm throwing in here. The thing fell out, but that's fine. And this is the old one, y'all. So we're gonna be taking that one out, putting this one in. And then first we gotta start off by disconnecting the battery, just so the airbag don't shoot at my face when I'm doing this. So let me go ahead and take my stuff out the trunk real quick and go ahead and get that. And we gotta make sure you're doing this in a good way so my clock spring don't get turned, y'all, because if your clock spring get turned, it'll mess up your alignment as you're doing it. So we gotta be real careful as we're doing this. Mention, y'all, make sure y'all got y'all window rolled down as well, y'all. This pretty much gonna be just the same if y'all went all the way to the back and y'all watch how to install my Hellcat powders when I did the Hellcat powder. So I'm gonna be putting the Hellcat powders on this one too, y'all. So this gonna be low-key a long video, but I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible for y'all. You want to take your battery out, disconnect this sensor right here, and get it out with a 10mm ratchet, or however you can get it. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Just get it out with a 10. And now we can go ahead and go to the front and start working with the airbag. Now that we inside, you gotta come to the back. You got 2 little holes, one right here, and on the opposite side, another one right here. If y'all can't see it, you gotta get that out with an Allen key, y'all. Something that's gonna be able to fit through that little hole. You can get you a thick Allen key, and it'll fit right through this, because this is like plastic, so it'll just force itself right inside that little hole, y'all. But you need something, and it's gonna be 2 springs. You push it, and that's a release right for it. So you push that, and the airbag gonna come out. And then when the airbag come out, you gotta remove your screws. And then once you remove your screws, I'm gonna show y'all once I get after that. Pro screws, y'all gotta remove some sensors. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do a little bit of moving around, but let me go ahead by starting off and grabbing this one, like I said. And we also gonna go ahead and grab this one right here, man. So look, you gotta take out the screws. I mean, not screws, the wires. I started to take this one out right here, but you got one, and then you also got, you don't even gotta remove these, y'all. You just gotta move them out the way. You gotta get this one out in the middle and keep this right here, y'all. So I'm pretty much, I don't even need to take this out the old one, but I'm gonna just do it just for the case of it. And then you gotta get these out, and then you also got screws in the back to get these out too, man. So as y'all can see, now we done got the airbag off. Let me see, what the airbag at? Show them the airbag, man. So that's the old one, y'all. We gonna be getting rid of this one. So sadly, we low-key just got this one. And we gonna be putting the old one back on, but we gonna be doing something different with it. Y'all gonna see, man. So let me go ahead and get these out.
You know, so I said, you
going in there, man. So it's gonna look nice with this weird accents, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get mine out. Like I said, I got one right here, and then you gotta go to the back and do the same process. So let me go ahead and start that and make this video short, not long. I didn't even really show y'all too much. I apologize about that, y'all, but I went on ahead and I put the new one in. As y'all can see, this is the bulkier one, so Scatpack usually had this one. I apologize that I didn't record as much as I wanted to, but yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and add some more stuff to this one, man, and y'all gonna see as I change emo, man.
Day 2.
Alright, YouTube, we back, man. Same video from a stone on the steering wheel, but I feel like I didn't show y'all good enough, so let me go ahead and get y'all boys. I want to start on emo real quick, you feel me? Back out the car as y'all boys can see. We just show y'all boys a little walk around again, man. So I did just do the steering wheel upgrade as y'all boys did see. I feel like I didn't make the video long enough for y'all boys though, so I'm just showing y'all from right here. This is what we looking like now, man. So it's nice and bulkier as y'all boys can see. It come with the heated, but for whatever reason my heated pad for my car still don't work for whatever reason. Like it'll cut on the screen, but it won't actually function. So it's either something with a wiring harness or it's either something with a fuse. I'm gonna figure that out real soon, but that's what it's looking like, man. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little bit of a POV real quick, just so I can get this video a little bit of length on, because it was only 5 minutes. But let me know if this is a valid mod for y'all boys, man. It look real nice, man. It's way bulkier. I low-key rushed the video putting this in because I had something to do, y'all, so it probably wasn't as detailed as possible as I wanted it to be, y'all. But the steering wheel is in. I did not mess up my clock screen, as y'all can see, so my alignment is not messed up. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little bit of a POV, and also for whatever reason, y'all, my functionality still don't work because I guess I don't got the right harness for it. So when I cut on my heated wheel, it'll show up right here, but it'll turn back off in like 10 seconds. Watch it. You see, so it'll never stay on like it's supposed to. But we're gonna get that settled and we're gonna do a video on fixing that. But I'm gonna give y'all boys a short little POV real quick because, like I said, the video was rushed and it wasn't that long, so I'm just giving y'all some length on the video. But we did unfortunately get rid of my carbon fiber accents. We sacrificed my carbon fiber accents. The steering wheel overlay I had, well, not overlay, but the steering wheel cover I had that was carbon fiber with the red stripe, and we sacrificed my RT badge I had right here. But we are gonna be upgrading to the SRT airbag real soon, man, for y'all boys, just so we can make this look way better than y'all when we give me y'all POVs. But this was I feel like this was a valid mod. I'm gonna go ahead and get carbon fiber accents again, SRT airbag cover, and a lot of other stuff so we can make this nice. But like I said, I'm about to give y'all a short POV real quick before we pull off and just get this video a little bit of length, man, so y'all can enjoy this video off. Because this is an extra clip that I'm throwing in here, y'all getting to see these gauges a little bit early, y'all. The ones that you're supposed to see these, y'all, these are Scatpack gauges, y'all. As y'all can see, they got 180 on the dash, and this is the white ones instead of the normal black ones. I wanted to switch it up and be a little different than everybody else's. So y'all gonna get this in probably the next video, man. But y'all get to see this a little bit early just because I had to add these clips in, y'all, because like I said, my video was not long enough and I want to make sure y'all boys get a detailed and a nice video, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a short POV, and then I'm gonna end this video off. I'm gonna give y'all about like 5 minutes of this POV though. And my baby is still warming up, as y'all did see. I did just cold started at the beginning, so let me see. Turn on my performance screens real quick. I can switch it to pat mode in a second for y'all boys. If y'all did not know, this is a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Plus, y'all. So most of the stuff in here I swapped out and I added my own little stuff to it, y'all. Most of the stuff in here is not OEM. I done did most of these all mods myself. I've been trying to switch my car for so long, but it's a work in progress. But my baby still getting warm, y'all, so I'm cut off the camera when it's get a little bit of temperature. See, my transmission temperature is still cold, so when it's warm up, when it get of temperature, y'all, I'm gonna cut back on the camera, and then we're gonna start cutting up in traffic for y'all boys a little bit. Back in traffic. Tear up the block real quick, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This steering wheel, I like this steering wheel. It give it a way bulkier feel than the last one I had, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all know what I'm trying to say, but this is nice. But y'all, I gotta do some Halloween set pictures and everything for emo and stuff this year, y'all. I feel like I didn't really do no season themed pictures and stuff on my car, so I'm gonna try to do that this year. So Halloween pictures, Christmas pictures, etc., stuff like that. But this year I really want to do Halloween because my color is orange, and this set the theme for the color of my car, if y'all know what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna be doing some Halloween stuff with emo, so y'all gonna see me do a video with costumes or some crazy stuff like that one of these days real soon, man. But I'm gonna give y'all about like a pull or two more, and then I'm gonna stop because this neighborhood call the police real fast on me because there's always a lot of kids out on the streets and there's always a lot of workers and stuff going on. So I'm gonna do like 2 more good pulls. Y'all seen how we just broke traction like that? I know y'all seeing that come up on the light right there, man. You feel me? Yeah, y'all see the area we in. Like, of course they'll call the police on me. Damn, that motherfucker hard, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chill out, give y'all 1 more good pull, and then we're gonna end this video off right here for y'all boys. All right, man, and we gonna end the video off right here at this point, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed it. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we gonna continue getting the Scat transmission for emo continued, man. So make sure y'all boys tap in there with me, man. Peace.
Look at my racks solid. I see the grass getting long. Snakes, I'm gon' mow it. I'm gon' blow like brown. Racks on me, I'm so rich. Talk here, top of the morning. I'm in the car, got motion. Big bang roll, can't fold it.